Jingiakhih jong Samla pule ka North Eastern Hill University hapo ka Kynram khmat jong ka Nehu Students Union but ka KSU Nehu unit bandawa hiar shuki yo Vice Chancellor jong ka ni ka school ba but Halor ki weide ki mat jingdawa jong ki kani ka Jingiakhih kala nangjur khamtam Mynta bada ki weiru ki kenhon jong ki Samla pule naduk ki khasi but ki weide ki jaj benriu ki lawan shakmat ban Kyrshan ya kani ka Jingiakhih Haka janmit jang kapra terik mentau naiwing arjar arpusau saki Samla pule ki bapule hakni ke skul ba Nehu ki badain na kejela Manipur ki lawan shakmat ban Kyrshan ya kini ke Jingiakhih da ka ba wan poi shakni ke jaka ba shong syak tngan kini ke Samla da ka ba penlong ru da ka jingthang mombati hakni ke jaka bat penlong ke jingdwai kenang bekini ki Kynram enla ban penbet no
Myself, Tanakuma research scholar. I'm the president of the Nehu Manipur Student Union here in Nehu. So it's been like 4 days that NEHU and along with the KSU has started the hunger strike, indefinite hunger strike and total shutdown of the university campus, demanding the removal of those illegal appointments and the make changes, reforms. So today we started a small initiative that we want change. We want change in a positive way so that the university will bring back to normalcy as soon as possible. So, and then also at the same time solve the problems of all these illegal appointments, removing all those illegal appointments like registers and bring changes. So we also a small community studying in the Nehu. And like other communities also, we also support the cause of NEHU that they fight for. So that's why we have a small candlelight prayer so that our prayers are reached to the God to give us courage, strength to fight until we get justice. Thank you.